seen the PAH is there now. Now PAL. No, sorry, PAH. We have to discuss PAH. Yeah. So this is the alarm to take the action before tripping. So this is the process subset.
Yeah.
And this is valid. So what will happen if operator is not able to take action? Potential trip, right?
Yes.
Potential trip. What is the right wording we used? Ultimately, likely cause. What is likely cause? Same cause.
Go to the consequence, right? So
what I'm saying that for this PAH, you want to see the PNAD?
yeah, it's the next page. Next page. Go to the next page. Yeah, you will have the PAH here, right? You see, which one is the tag?
The tag number is
03. Yeah,
Yeah.
03903. That's the one there. Yeah, the one highlighted, right? So this will have high alarm when
Yeah, correct.
when your PCB 030903 is closed.
Yeah, close. Yeah.
It's supposed to be open on demand, but it is closed.
Yeah.
So I think this one.
This one, this one is same thing. Yeah.
Yep.
So a consequence is trip. This will trip.
Consequence will be it will be
trip only. If you don't take action on right time, so it will trip on PSAH, right?
Correct.
Yeah, this will trip. Loss of production. Due to trip of plant. If operator doesn't take action on time. This is correct, guys. So corrective action, operator has to investigate the high pressure and he has to take the action. Suitable action. For this case, he has to restart, right? For PHH, because it is trip. Action high pressure scenario and take suitable action to prevent, to restart. The system again. Correct, guys? So this one to prevent and trip. So this one to prevent overpressure and letting you trip. Trip the system. Correct, Emanur?
Yeah.
Because this PSH, yeah. So this is, we have less than, what is the time? I think less than 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. This is pressure.
And this
very
is
quick.